We're at the La Quinta Inn and Suites in San Diego, California, near Mission Beach. And yeah, this is the hotel my family and I are staying at. It's a really good hotel, everybody. Okay, I'll be right back to show you my guest room. We're at the La Quinta Inn and Suites in San Diego, California, near Mission Beach. And let's go check out our room and see what we got for this year's trip. It's the door right here. In here... Oh, hi everybody. In this closet, we've got ironing board. And then, of course, an iron. And some coat hangers. Yeah, looks really good. Alright. And there's a stool right there just in case you need it. Okay, hang on a second. And in the bathroom, you've got a hair dryer, tissue like towel things that you can wipe your hands off when you're done washing them, a sink, some soap and little towels that they give you here at the hotel, La Quinta Inn and Suites, and of course a toilet, and towel racks right here, and shelves, and a bathtub and shower area. Yeah, that's what it looks like around here. Bathtub and shower. And yeah. Alright, now let's check out the bedroom. That's probably another door to somewhere else in this room. I don't know where it leads to, but I'm just not taking any chances for it. Over here we got a fridge and freezer and a microwave and coffee maker, and I believe that's some kind of utensil thing for water. That's what I think it is, yeah. And there's a couch that my mom's sitting in. Hey, Mom.
Hey.
Hey, you enjoying this vacation so far?
So far.
Oh, yeah. Look at this, guys. Where my mom's sitting on this couch, it's got my favorite letter, O, on it. It's really awesome they got it on there. That's my favorite letter. And we got some pictures of Mission and Pacific Beach, looks like. I like that one. Feels like a wave is coming out of the ocean. It's really awesome. I like that one too. Looks really like a good shot there when they took it.
Okay, payment done, period.
And we also got 2 queen beds here. Hey Cassidy, hey Sarah.
Hello.
Hey everybody. And there's a desk for a person to use each time because there's only one chair right here. And over there's a phone that you can call the hotel people or call anyone you want around San Diego, California. And a lamp right there. Oh, and some dressers. And we also got a TV. I was watching National Geographic Channel a few minutes ago. It was a really interesting channel. Oh, and we also got an alarm clock. And a lamp right here, another lamp. And there's a nightstand dresser underneath these two, the lamp and the clock, excuse me. And that's one of the pillows that was on our queen bed right here, one of our queen beds. Yeah, it's really cool how they have my favorite letter on there. Oh. And there's another painting right there. Looks really interesting. And hey Troy boy. Troy, say hi.
Hola.
Hola. There's an air conditioning machine right here. And here's the view out the window. Let's take a look out here. We have the window a little bit open, so that's probably why you're hearing noises in the background. Yeah, this is the San Diego Mission Beach city area. Yeah, it looks really good. Alright guys, so I'm not sure where we're going to be eating for dinner tonight, but I'll show you guys where we're heading for dinner at when we get there, and I'll show you what I've got for dinner tonight. Okay, I'll see you guys then. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.